What's next for big wave surfing, I think, is just constant progression. You know, conditions permitting, some crazy stuff will happen every single season. I'm really proud that these guys have kind of threw me on the list with everyone else. I'm excited, and it's been a busy winter so far, but body feels good, boards feel really good, and I'm excited that we're in the mix with winter right now.